Hey, Anissa and Casey here.
You need help in your home. We get it. We hear it every day, or we see it on Instagram, or we get emails, people asking if we could just come over and just do this or just do that. Questions like,
what paint color should I use? How do I style my bookcases? How do I put up a photo gallery wall with my family?
lots of things that really are just quick, maybe an hour or 2 hour long consultation, but they don't really utilize our services that we're back at home in Atlanta doing with home renovation or construction. How do I make my house look like what I see in the pictures? You've got questions, we get it. So we created Truth & Co. Virtual Design. Nice.
It's a 1 to 2 hour consultation either on your smartphone or your computer where we can come to you.
So that we can be wherever the problem is that you're experiencing. How to do all sorts of things. We're gonna be able to help you make confident design decisions.
And sometimes all you need is a second opinion. It can be as simple as, how do I lay out my family room furniture for conversation? How do I style my coffee table? Or how high should I hang a piece of art?
If you're picking bedding, or if you're needing anything that has 2 options and you're like, which one? We can help give you that opinion, give you the confidence you need to make sure that it all fits the bigger picture of your home.
It's super simple to sign up. You pick the date and the time slot, you pay for the appointment, and then one of our team members is there virtually in your home or the space that you desire us to work with you in.
So like a designer in your pocket, we can go wherever the need is. Now there are some things that we can do that we've talked about, a lot more than that, and then there's some things we can't do. So you're gonna wanna check out the terms and conditions before signing up and agreeing to all this. But don't worry, we're standing by, ready to help you and make sure that you know exactly what you're getting into and how we're gonna best be able to help you. Those time slots are limited, so you're gonna wanna sign up for those. But otherwise, we can't wait to see you in your home. We're pumped about Truth & Co. Virtual Design. We will see you soon.
See you soon. I got all that.
You did. Is it me first?
It's you first.
With this service, we're going to be able to help you make confident design decisions.
Because sometimes all you need is a second opinion.
But mostly confidence.
Or a second opinion.
A confident second opinion. That's what you really need. And we're prepared to give you just that with virtual design.
That's cute.